at dahil na ulan at hindi tayo pwedeng maglakad going to work because it's raining, so wala tayong choice. We don't have the choice but to grab na lang kesa naman dumating tayong basang-basa and dirty. So we just have to grab. So we're going to work. It's raining and we don't want us to get wet and dirty, so that's why we have to ride Grab. Para pagdating natin is fresh pa rin tayo, guys. Because it's already 10 na. Aga-agang traffic. Why is the traffic here, banda? Traffic, guys. It's already 10:07 na. Oh my god, we're late na talaga. Late na kami, guys. I don't wanna go to work like wet and dirty and freaking wet. So but it only takes like 3 minutes lang naman pag nakasasakyan, but traffic kasi, that's why. So I think we will be there at 10 or 10 like 10:15. So we are really late na. Parang bagal kasi umusad ng sasakyan, no? Tagal. Taga namin yung work namin because it's very malapit lang, kayang-kayang lakarin, but today we have to ride kasi it's raining. You see, yung iba na niya, ang daming naglalakad, oh. We are supposed to be one of them na naglalakad, pero nagfa-fog pa, guys. It's raining talaga. At ang taas ng building. Nice. It's there where we worked. That one, that building. That one. We just have to here na. Okay, kuya, dito na lang. So we're here na, guys.